Look at that glittery surface. I hope you can see the tiny little specks of glitter right there. And we'll show you how to do that. We're going to refill this with this product. Stay tuned. Guys, isn't it nice to have that shimmery feel when you watercolor your stamped images? And we use our Wink of Stella brush markers for that. You're going to be super surprised when I tell you that you can have an endless supply of your Wink of Stella by refilling it with this product called Winsor & Newton Watercolor Iridescent Medium. So you're going to have a lifetime supply of your Wink of Stella by refilling it with this. Let me show you how. So I bought this at Amazon. I'm going to provide you a link down below. But this is kind of a very thick medium. So I'm going to use this container. I'm going to get my dropper. You're going to put one, see it's very thick, 2 drops of this medium, okay? Then you're going to put a little bit of water. And then you mix it. It's very thick. It's like thick phlegm consistency. So you mix that, and this is what you create. And that's what you use to refill your Wink of Stella or any kind of aqua brush. And when you paint, it's going to give you that little beautiful shimmer that you want every single time. So what I do is I open my Wink of Stella just like this. When you open it just like this, you remove the black top. See, when you take it off like that, that's what's inside. Set that aside, and then using the medicine dropper, you just refill it like so. And I think this is going to last you a lifetime with this one jar of the iridescent medium. So I hope that helps you guys. It's a lifetime supply for yourself, and you can share with your friends and family if you prefer, of your Wink of Stella. So I hope that helps you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Let's see our refilled Wink of Stella in action. We refilled it with the iridescent medium of Winsor & Newton. Coincidentally, we're also using a Winsor & Newton watercolor palette. Let's see it in action and see if it's glittery. I can already see the glitter right now. It's very glittery. I like it. And it does sparkle, guys. I'm just brushing off the color. Alright, I hope that helps. I hope it gave you some tips so that you can enjoy crafting a little bit more today. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.